First of all, my name is Andre. I'm with St. Louis We Buy Homes, and you can check us out at stlouiswebuyhomes.com. I always ask that you guys thumbs up these videos for me. Really appreciate when you guys do that. Also, share this video, leave any comments. If you have any questions for me that you don't want to leave in the comment section, you can do that at Andre, A-N-D-R-E, at stlouiswebuyhomes.com. That's my email address. But I'm glad that you are watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. But probate court in St. Louis County, Missouri. I'm glad you're watching this video first. Just wanted to give you some information that you probably don't know. You probably search for probate court, St. Louis County, Missouri, and you're probably either a personal representative or probably going to be the personal representative of a probate proceeding. I'm doing this video to let you know that you don't have to wait until the end of your, I guess the end of the probate in order to sell your property, in order to sell the real estate property. I know that at this time you may not be, you're probably not considering it or right now, or maybe you're thinking about it, but you know, it could be a tough time that you're going through right now as well, and also stressful being a personal rep of a probate proceeding. Personal rep does a lot, you know, and does a lot in trying to settle the estate. And you know, just want to do a video to let you know that we can buy your real estate property, and you don't have to wait till the end of the probate proceeding. A lot of people don't know that, and you know, sometimes they think that yeah, I need to, you know, let me talk to my attorney. I need to maybe need to wait another 90 days or 60 days or something like that. But you don't have to. You don't have to do that at all. And if somebody told you you did, they're not giving you the right information. You don't have to wait to sell the real estate in a probate situation. And part of what we do at St. Louis We Buy Homes, you know, when it comes to probate, you know, like I said, we understand the situation. We understand it's a tough situation. It's an emotional situation, and you know, you could be going through a tough time. But what people find attractive in what we do is that you know, we try to take out a lot of the middleman stuff, such as realtor fees. You won't ever have to pay realtor fees with us whatsoever. We can close quickly as well. So in this situation, we know when someone goes through the probate process that, you know, more than likely they're trying to settle the estate. So, you know, they need to sell off some things. They need to sell off some real estate. They need to sell off some jewelry. They need to sell off some cash, and, you know, what other assets that you know, that may be a part of the estate as well. You know, you can cash out your asset with little trouble. You can do that. First of all, our telephone number is 314-329-5190. That's 314-329-5190. We're at stlouiswebuyhomes.com. You can also go to our website. You can go to our website and fill out the form that we have. It's a simple form. Just ask for your name, your email address, telephone number, property address, and, you know, things such as that. Make sure you fill that information out as best you can, and once you fill that information out, we'll contact you directly. We'll contact you soon. And you know, we just wanted to make this video about probate court in St. Louis County, Missouri. You know, with information like that, sometimes you're bombarded with a bunch of different things when going through the probate process. And like I said, if you're a personal rep, you're just going through so much. You're trying to settle the estate, and you know, we pay cash and we close quickly. We can close quickly on your property, you know, the property that you're trying to sell, the property that you're trying to sell for the estate. And we can, like I said, we can settle the estate very quickly. Also, a very important thing as well, you don't have to fix anything. So there's no repairs. A lot of times if you talk to a realtor, the realtor will tell you that, hey, it's a nice property, so on and so forth. But, it needs to be updated. And a lot of times when these homes have been occupied, especially by older people, and, sometimes they don't get around to updating the home. And, some of them just love the home the way it is when they bought it. And that's okay also. But you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to fix anything. You don't have to repair anything. So our whole goal, we're not trying to get people who are trying to sell off an asset to pay something. That doesn't make sense to me, when folks do that. But, the realtors, they say that, they're not being disingenuous when they say that. And that's because of the market when they say things such as that, because, when they put a property on the market, it's going to an end buyer, or it's going to another, person that has a family per se. And, with all these different technological things that go on right now, people are expecting certain things when they purchase a home. They're expecting all of this high tech stuff. They're expecting the kitchen to be updated, the bathroom to be updated, and all of this stuff. But not us. We'll go in and we'll pay cash for your home, and there's no repairs needed whatsoever. So, like I said, we'll buy it in any condition, and that's what we do at St. Louis WeBuyHomes.com. Also, something that I spoke about as well, there's no expense and no realtor fees. So we're not realtors, we're cash home buyers. We're cash home buyers, and we know all about the probate process. And, we just glad that you clicked on this video to get this information from us, to allow us to help you, allow us to help your family that, may be going through a tough time. And, you can cash out the asset with little trouble. Most people just don't know that. And, you really don't expect people to know that. Because, when you hear about the probate process, you think about this long drawn out, it can be 5 years. It could be, it could be a year. It could be 2 years before it's over, but you don't have to wait. You don't have to go through all of that in order to sell your real estate. You don't. And if someone's telling you you do, they're not being honest with you, or maybe they don't know. But it's not a process to where, we can't start helping you now. So, we're trying to help you right away. So we don't want you to wait. And I'm sure you don't want to wait, like I said, with going through all of this, and being a personal rep is tough. It really is. It's tough. It's a tough time for you. And, you maybe you're watching this and you're just doing it for you clicked on it to get some information, and we're providing information for you. We're trying to provide that information for you, but you don't need to wait in order to sell the real estate. You don't need to do that at all whatsoever. And once again, my name is Andre. I'm with St. Louis We Buy Homes, and make sure you check us out at stlouiswebuyhomes.com. You also can give us a call also at 314-329-5190. But we prefer you go to our website. Just fill out the form that's on our homepage. So if you're on your mobile device, make sure you scroll down and you'll see a form on there. It's just actually five, maybe 6 things, 5 or 6 quick things. And once we get that information in our database, we'll give you a call and talk to you about the situation and about your property, and selling off your real estate, and possibly selling off some other things as well. We know and understand that there's other things that's involved, other assets that may be involved that that we're probably interested in as well. So we're just trying to help you, help your family. And if you search the probate court, St. Louis County, Missouri, we're glad that you clicked on this and watched this video first to get this important information. So make sure that you share this video as well, because the one thing that we want to do is we want to get this information out to as many people as possible. If you share this, it could be someone that's in a certain situation as you, the same situation as you, And you know, we'll be glad to help them and their family as well. So we're glad that you clicked on this video and watching this video and sharing it and leaving comments. And you know, if you need to contact me directly, you can do so also at Andre, that's ANDRE, at stlouiswebuyhomes.com. Thanks for watching this video. And of course, if you subscribe, we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Enjoy.